Looking for a soft, fruity and flavorful cake without eggs? This custard fruit cake is the perfect treat. Light, fluffy and bursting with the goodness of dry fruits and tutti frutti. Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Foods. Let's start. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup curd or yogurt, 3 tablespoon oil, half cup sugar. Mix well until smooth. The mix of curd, flour and sugar provides sustained energy. Sift together 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoon custard powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Custard powder was invented in 19th century as a substitute for eggs in dessert. For extra flavor, add a pinch of cardamom powder for a warm aromatic touch. Pour in half cup milk and mix well to form a smooth batter. For a healthier version, use whole wheat flour and jaggery instead of sugar. Add 2 to 3 drops of yellow food color for a vibrant look. Now take 3 tablespoon tutti frutti, 3 tablespoon dry fruits, coat with 1 teaspoon flour. This prevents them from sinking. Gently fold them into the batter. For a fluffier cake, don't overmix the batter, fold gently. Tutti frutti is made from raw papaya. It's soaked in sugar syrup and colored for a bright look. Grease 6-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the cake batter into the mold. Sprinkle tutti frutti and cherries on top for a colorful finish. Try chopped mango, pineapple or dates for a different taste. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside, cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. No oven, no worries. Bake in a stove-top pan or even a pressure cooker. Let it cool before slicing. Low in artificial preservatives. A homemade treat is always healthier than store-bought cakes. Did you know cake rise because baking soda and baking powder create air bubbles when mixed with wet ingredients? This cake is rich in fiber. Dry fruits improve digestion and gut health. This soft and delicious custard fruit cake is perfect for tea time or celebrations. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and follow Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.